What's going on, everyone? Today I'm going to be opening a Scarlet and Violet booster bundle. It's going to be from the Paldean Fate set. Really excited about this one. There's some great cards here, and I've seen a lot of people do pulls of this online, so I'm really excited to try it for myself. We'll start with this Tinkaton pack. And here we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3. And we'll get right into it with the Paldean Wooper to start. Houndstone Holofoil. We got a Basic Energy. Pineco. Nummel. Natu. Paldean Student. Camerupt. Atticus. Donphan. Ooh, and a Squovit. Okay, so we got the Holofoil Squovit. This is actually a pretty nice card. Okay, next pack here. Let's see. Another 1, 2, 3. Put them in the back. Okay, we're starting off with a Nimona, Revavroom, Holofoil, Basic Energy, Tandemaus, another Paldean Wooper, Execute, Mankey, Graplocked. We got Iono, Kilowattrel, and Fido Reverse Holo to end it. Take a look at that. Alright. Not great. We got the Revavroom Holofoil. Let's go in the next pack. We need something here. Come on. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Ooh. And okay, that was 3. And we got Gimme Ghoul Reverse Holo. Professor's Research, Holofoil, another Basic Energy, Chinchou, Varoom, Charmander, Dedenne, whatever, Darkspun, Mousehold, Ultra Ball, and Rare Candy Reverse Holo. Okay, not great so far. Let's hope this pack can save us here. 1 and 2, 3. Okay, starting off with a Cottony, Cyclizar, Holofoil, Basic Energy, Flittle, Pikachu, Greavard, Fampy. We got Clive, Charmeleon. Ooh, and Technical Machine Crisis Punch. Oh, and an Oddish. A great Holofoil Oddish card. Nice. Alright, last pack here. Let's hope it's a good one. Ending with Pikachu. 1, 2, 3. And let's do this. Okay, so it looks like we got Paldean Student, Reverse Holo. Professor's Research, Holofoil. Basic Energy. Cottony. Lapras. Mime Jr. Oof. Maschiff. Nimona's Backpack. Another Graplocked. Another Iono. And what do we end with? Oh, and a Reverse Holo Chimicho. Not great. I decided I wanted some redemption after yesterday's polls, so I bought 3 Paldean Fates mini tins, each with 2 booster packs. Let's get started on this first one. It's going to be a Pikachu. Okay, we're not going to do the 3 card. We're going to go right into it. Paldean Wooper, Greavard, Charcadet, Clobbopus, Oinkalone, Lantern. Ooh, looks like we got a Primeape stuck to that. Camerupt, Goldengo, Reverse Holo. This is actually my buddy's favorite Pokemon, so we'll put that for later. Revavroom, and Basic Energy. Here we go. Yeah, we're going to top load this card for my buddy, Goldengo. All right, here we go. Next pack. Starting off with a Varoom, Mankey. Let's get readjusted here. Magmar, Nimona. Oh, forgot to take this card out. There you are. Another Oinkalone, Moonlit Hill, Camerupt, Mousehold, Reverse Holo, Professor's Research. Ooh, and a Gardevoir EX. Nice. So there we go. There's a pull. Really happy with that. This is a beautiful looking card. We're going to definitely top load this one. It's one of the better pulls we've had, for sure. Let's get into the next pack here. Okay. Maractus, Gimme Ghoul, Scraggy, Flittle, Darkspawn, Mousehold, Ultra Ball, and another Reeve of Room. And Heat Rotom. Okay. Another Goldengo. This one's just hollow foil though. Basic Energy. Next pack. Here we go. All right. Another start with a Paldean Wooper. We're getting that a lot. Another Greavard, Charcadet, Clobopus, Ultra Ball, Swoobat. We got Clive, Technical Machine Crisis Punch, Reverse Hollow. Nice. Ooh, and a Nimona. Look at that. And the Raichu Hollow Foil. Love this Nimona full art. This is great. Beautiful looking card. Definitely top loading that. This is the best card we've picked up so far, without a doubt. All right, next pack. Starting off with Varoom, Frigibax, Mastiff, Ralts, Ultra Ball, Swoobat, Clive. We got Nummel, Reverse Hollow. Ooh, and a Palmy, full art. Very nice. Cerulege, hollow foil, but you know that Palmy full art. Very nice. Great looking card. I'll have to check the value on that, but we're definitely going to top load this one. I don't have any penny sleeves for these, you'll notice when I'm top loading, but we'll get some and we'll eventually put them on these cards because I think they deserve it. They look great. Last pack. Hopefully we get some last pack luck here. All right, here we go. And we're starting off with a Woobat. All right. We got Woobat, Scraggy, Gimme Ghoul, Magmar, another Swoobat, Artisan, Kirlia, Dedenne, Reverse Hollow, a Mastiff, Reverse Hollow, and Armor Rouge, Hollow Foil. Not great on that last pack. Getting into our top pulls. Definitely going to be the Palmy, Gardevoir, Oddish, Squovit, and the Nimona. Great pulls this week. Thanks for watching. Scroogler out.